case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2009 case of Hays v. Sebelius, the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit ruled on the issue of Medicare reimbursement for prescribed items or services. Medicare beneficiary Ilene Hays, who suffers from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, challenged a regional Medicare contractor's decision to only reimburse the cost of her inhalation drug, DuoNeb, up to the price of its least costly alternative. Hays argued that Medicare must reimburse based on the 106% statutory formula as prescribed by the Medicare Act. The court analyzed whether reasonable and necessary modifies expenses or items and services in the context of the Act. The court held that reasonable and necessary applied to items or services, not expenses, and the least costly alternative policy is discretionary for prescription drugs. Ultimately, the court concluded that the Secretary of Health and Human Services could only make a binary coverage decision: reimburse at the full statutory rate or not at all. The Secretary lacked authority to refuse payment for the cost difference between a prescribed item or service and its least costly alternative. This significant decision affirmed the district court's ruling and provided clarity on the issue of Medicare reimbursement for medical treatments.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.